Did you tell I messed up? Watch, you will never do it again. In today's world, circumstances may often seem to demand deception or manipulations for personal gain or to navigate complex social situations. However, despite these challenges, it is crucial to recognize that honesty remains a fundamental virtue with far-reaching benefits. Honesty is a fundamental human virtue and moral characteristics that involves being truthful, straightforward, and sincere in one's thoughts, words, and action. It is the quality of being transparent and truthful, both with oneself and with others, regardless of the circumstances. Don't be upset that nobody comes running towards your honesty. Be firm that you do not run away from it. The sound of honesty that comes out of you may be feeble. It ensures that the noise, clamoring sounds around you do not soothe it. Watch till the end. I will share you honesty is a foundational element that plays a crucial role in building and maintaining strong, meaningful relationship. Please do subscribe, share, like, and comment, criticize for the better videos of tomorrow. But what does the Bible says about honesty? In Proverbs chapter 10, verse 9, honest people are safe and secure, but the dishonest will be caught. Now let's go through how the aspect of honesty contribute to relationship building. Number 1, trust and reliability. Honesty builds trust, a cornerstone of any healthy relationship. When you are honest and true to your word, others can rely on you and trust that you will follow through on commitments and promises. This trust forms a strong foundation for lasting relationship. Honesty or faithful is a rare seed. It does not grow in everyone's heart. So don't be upset that it is not growing in all the places where you have sowed it. In Proverbs 12, verse 22, the Lord hates the liar, but is pleased with those who keep the word. In Proverbs 12, verse 14, your reward depends on what you say and what you do. You will get what you deserve. Those who act wisely, making thoughtful and prudent decisions, will be recognized and honored for their actions. On the other hand, those who act foolishly, making unwise choices or behaving in a thoughtless manner, will face shame, exposure of their lack of wisdom. Point number 2, open communication. Honest communication encourages openness and transparency within the relationship. When you are honest about your thoughts, feelings, and concern, it creates an environment where both of you can freely express yourself without fear of judgment or misunderstanding. In Ephesians chapter 4, verse 29, do not use harmful word, but only helpful word, the kind that build up and provide what is needed so that will do good to those who hear you. In Proverbs chapter 18, verse 21 says, the tongue has a power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit. Of course, this verse reminds us that our words have the power to either uplift or tear down those around us, and we should be mindful of the impact our words have on others. The third point is respect and understanding. Being honest demonstrates respect for the other person. It shows that you value their thought, feelings, and opinions enough to be trustful with them. Honesty cultivates understanding, empathy, and a deeper appreciation for one another. In Matthew 7:12, the genuineness of our relationship with God shows up in the way we treat people. We are to treat others as we want to be treated by them. Point number 4, building a reputation of integrity. Consistently demonstrating honesty helps in building a reputation for integrity and reliability. Others will recognize and appreciate your honesty, and its positive reputations contributes to strong relationship both personally and professionally. In Proverbs chapter 28 verse 18 says, "The one who walks in blameless is kept safe, but the one who weighs or perverse will fall into the pit." Psalm 25 verse 21 says, "May integrity and uprightness protect me, because my hope, Lord, is in you." Being honest means choosing not to lie, steal, cheat, or deceive in any way. When we are honest, we build strength of character that will allow us to be of great service to God and to others. We are blessed with peace of mind and self-respect and will be trusted by the Lord and others. Point number 5, conflict resolution. Inevitably, conflicts arises in any relationship. Honesty is vital during conflicts because it shows and it allows for an open dialogues to address issues and find solutions. When both parties honestly expresses their concerns and feelings, it can lead to resolutions, understanding, and growth within the relationship. In James chapter 1 verse 26, "Those who consider themselves religious and yet do not keep a tight rein on the tongue deceives themselves, and the religious is worthless." Proverbs 12 verse 22 says, "Lying lips are an abomination to the Lord, but those who deal truthfully are his delight." Point number 6, mutual growth and support. Honest communications allows for constructive feedback and growth within the relationship. When both parties can openly discuss their aspirations, fear, and ambition, they can support and encourage each other's growth, leading to a strong, more fulfilling relationship. In 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 11, "Therefore encourage one another and build one another up, just as you are doing." Honesty is a cornerstone of trust and positive relationship. When individuals are honest, they build trust with one another. It's an essential quality in both personal and professional settings, influencing interactions, decision making, and the overall being of individuals and society. It's important to note that while honesty is a valued trait, the way in which honesty is perceived and received can vary based on cultural norms and personal beliefs. In the journey of life, embracing honesty and integrity lays the foundation for authentic and meaningful relationship. Honesty, the essence of transparency and truthfulness, nurtures trust, understanding, and respect among individuals. It's a virtue that not only strengthens bonds but also builds a reputable character that stands the test of time. Let honesty be the guiding light on our collective journey towards a better and a more compassionate world. Have a wonderful and blessed day ahead. Do comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until then, this is Charles signing off from Emotionally Inspired. Thank you so much.